Want to fully load and unlock your Amazon FireStick to get access to the best apps in just a few minutes, giving you free movies, shows, sports, and so much more? Stick around, and I'll show you exactly how to get all these awesome features on your FireStick. Ready to jump in and get started? First, head to your home screen and look for the magnifying glass icon. Move down and press the center button on your remote. This will pull up a keyboard. Type in Downloader. You'll see it appear in the suggestions. Scroll down, select it, and press the center button. That brings you straight to the orange app you want. Click it. Now just hit the center button again, and it'll start downloading. Wait a few seconds as it installs itself. Once it's done, it'll say, Launch Now. But don't open it just yet. When you see Launch Now, hit the home button on your remote. Next, we need to access your FireStick settings to change a crucial setting. The easiest way is to move all the way to the right on your home screen. You'll see a menu appear at the bottom. Go down! We're looking for My Fire TV. If your device isn't updated, My Fire TV might be somewhere else. If it's an older model, it could be called My Device. Either way, that's what we need to select. Let's go ahead and click it. On my screen, I already have developer options. If you don't see that, don't you worry. I'll walk you through how to enable it. Move up and select About. With your FireStick or Fire TV highlighted, press the center button 9 times. A message will pop up saying, Congratulations, you are now a developer. Once you see that, hit the back button and Developer Options will now appear on the menu. Let's open up Developer Options together. The first setting is ADB debugging. Press the center button to turn it on. If you get a small box, scroll down and select Allow. Now select Install Unknown Apps. You'll spot Downloader on the list. You may see other apps too. Scroll to Downloader and press the center button to enable it. On some older FireSticks, you may not see this option. It might say Apps from Unknown Sources, and you can just turn it on or off. If that's the case, just switch it on. Once you're done, press the home button on your remote. Now, let's locate the new Downloader app. The quickest way is to scroll nearly to the end and click the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. This shows every app you have, and the newest ones are always at the very bottom. Just scroll down to the very end, and you'll find the app you just added. Let's open up Downloader together. If you see a small box pop up, just hit the center button to close it. This app lets you visit almost any website. To do this, press the center button 2 times. A keyboard will pop up so you can type the web address. Today, I'll take you to a special website. I'll show the address on the screen as I type it. Be sure you type it exactly. Or you might see an error. Take your time. Once you've entered it correctly, hit Go. You might see a small red circle appear on my screen. Sometimes you'll get a box. If you do, move the red circle onto the black box and press the center button. Otherwise, the download should start automatically. Let's wait for the download to finish. When it's done, you'll be asked to install the app. Slide over and select Install. When setup is finished, slide over and choose Done. After you click Done, you'll come back to this screen. Now slide over, click Delete, and then again slide and select Delete. That's all we need from the Downloader app. Press the Home button. Next, we need to go back into the FireStick settings to make one last adjustment. Remember, scroll all the way to the end, select My Fire TV or My Device. Then open Developer Options. And again, go into Install Unknown Apps. Select that option. Now you'll notice Online is now showing in the list. If you have other apps, scroll down to highlight Online and press the center button once to enable it. Once everything's set up, press the Home button again. Now we need to find the new Online app. Remember, just scroll over and select the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. All of your apps are on this screen, and the newest one is always at the bottom. That's where you'll see the Online app we just installed. Let's open it. The first prompt is to add a new library. Press the center button twice. Once, then twice. You'll see a keyboard pop up asking for the library code. I've created my own private app store for my viewers and followers. I've put in a lot of work to make sure only the best and newest apps are included. All I ask for, all this effort, updating apps, making these videos, and answering questions, is that you hit the subscribe button. That's your way of saying thanks for all the free info. Thanks so much to everyone who's already subscribed. Now, as a subscriber, type in this code, enter it exactly. If you need to, pause the video to catch up. After you enter the code correctly, click Next and let it load up. Welcome to my custom app store. There are 70 awesome apps here for free movies, TV, live sports, and more. People often ask, which are my favorites? My top picks for cord cutting are highlighted in the welcome message. Lots of viewers also ask about VPNs. I put a note right here, so take a moment to read all the info on the welcome screen. After you've read everything, press the center button on your remote 3 times. This will organize my store for you. Move up and down for categories or left and right for the apps. Today, I'll show a few, walk you through how it all works, and how to start enjoying your free content. Now, scroll down through the categories until you reach category number 13. Cool examples. The first app I recommend downloading here is IPVanish VPN. This is my favorite pick for staying safe and private while using all these apps. Some people have issues installing or opening apps because their internet provider blocks them. Using IPVanish VPN keeps you secure and gets around any restrictions from your provider. To get IPVanish VPN, just highlight it and click Download. Or go back to your FireStick home, look for the magnifier icon, scroll down, select the search bar, and type in IPVanish. You'll see it in the suggestions. Highlight it and hit the center button. On this page, select the app from the list and hit the center button again to start installing. Once it's installed, click the center button to launch it, and you can log in. Don't have an account yet? No worries. I'll show you a super simple way to get one, so you can browse safely and unlock all these awesome apps. Grab your phone or computer and open your browser. Go to the website shown on screen, or just point your camera at the QR code to get there instantly. The link is also in the video description and the comments. Choose a plan. Even 1 month is enough to test it out and see the difference for yourself. After you sign up, they'll send an email with your username and password. With those details, your FireStick will be safe and private. Log in to the IPVanish app and press Connect. There's one setting I want to show you. Tap the gear icon in the IPVanish app. A menu pops up. I've highlighted Connect on Android Startup. If you turn this on, you'll never have to remember to enable your VPN every time you turn on your device. It'll connect automatically, so you never have to pause your movie just to check if your VPN is running. It just does it for you. Now that you're totally protected, let's start grabbing some more great apps. Press Home and head back to your apps. Open the online app again and return to the same category. Here are the next 4 apps I recommend for movies, shows, sports, and live TV. You'll see 4 more apps to download here. Make sure to check the descriptions so you know exactly what each one does and how to use it. Here's the first. You'll spot an app for live TV, pay-per-view, and more. Click it, press download, and let it reach 100%. It could take a few seconds. Just wait. When the box pops up, select Install App, slide over and press Install. Wait a moment, and you'll go right back to the App Store to keep downloading. Next, you'll see an app just for sports. Highlight it and hit Download. Let it reach 100%. When you see the small box, click Install App, slide over and hit Install. Now, look for an app that gives you both movies and TV shows. Highlight it, click Download, and let it finish. Just a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. When the install box appears, select Install App, slide over, and click Install. Some apps in my store need a separate player to work correctly. The one you just downloaded for movies and TV shows is like that. You'll notice the title says it requires another player. It might seem a bit confusing at first, but the description explains everything, and it'll make sense once you start using the apps. Let's get that required player app now. Find the app, select Download, wait for it to complete, and when the box shows up, install it like before. And that's all there is to it. We just grabbed 4 awesome apps. Remember, there are 70 total in my store, so don't feel limited by what I've shown you here. My top favorites are in Category 1, Top Apps. Try out as many as your device will hold. They're all free to download. Now, I know we just added some amazing apps for free movies, TV, sports, live TV, and pay-per-view, but before you open any of these, I always recommend turning on your VPN first. Thank you so much to everyone who follows and supports this channel. It means so much and helps me out a ton. I appreciate you all for spending your time with me. I can't wait to read your comments and see you again in the next video.